Friends, this sum has many functions, so we need to use chain rule. First, let us identify the functions. Okay, so spend some time in understanding the question, then it becomes easier to do it. So first, let us see, there is one e function and there is one log function. Okay, so let us put e to the power of u, and then there is one log function. If you consider this is a u, so it is log u, and then you consider tan x x u, then you have root 1 plus tan square x u, root u, and then you have tan as u, that is 1 plus u square, and then you have u square again to be tan. Now we have to do so many differentiations using chain rule. So let us go one by one. First, e to the power of u is eu only. So differentiation of u is eu. So let us write that. So e to the power of log of 1 plus root of 1 plus tan square x. So differentiation u is done. Now let us do log u. Log u is, differentiation of log u is 1 by log u. So that is, here it becomes 1 by 1 plus tan square x. Now we have to say root. We know root is 1 by 2 root 2. That is 1 by 2 into 1 plus tan square x. Now we have to go for inside one, which is 1 plus u square, which is differentiation of 1 is 0. So u square is 2u, which is 2 tan x. Now you have to do for tan x. Tan x is secant square x. Now we need to just simplify. 2 gets cancelled. This root and that root becomes 1 plus tan square. So we know e to the power of log of x is nothing but x. So it becomes 1 plus tan square x. Here 1 by 1 plus tan square x. This and this, root and root. And then there is tan x. And there is secant square x. We know 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square x, isn't it? That's a formula. So this is root of secant square x. That is 1 by secant square x. And then tan x, secant square x. So this secant square, this cancelled. This root of secant square is secant x. And then tan x. This is the answer, simplified answer. You can also think, when you say e to the power of log of x is nothing but same, we can apply in the question itself. How we will get e to the power of log of root of is nothing but 1 plus tan square x. So root of tan square x we know secant square x, which is 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. Root of secant square is secant x, which is, when you differentiate, you get secant of secant x, d by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So we get the same answer there. We will go to the next sum. Here what are the functions? There is one e function and there is one log function and there is one cot function. In this, log function and then e function and then x to the power of n function. So we will do one by one. First we will do this separately and do that separately. So e to the power of log x is nothing but ex will become, when you differentiate, you consider that as y. So dy by dx equal to e to the power of x will remain as is. So e to the power of log and cot x, it will remain as is, isn't it? When you say log of cot x is nothing but 1 by cot x. When you do cot x, you will get minus of cosecant square x. This is one part. Second part, ln is 1 by e to the power of x square. When you do e to the power of x square, it will remain e to the power of x square. When you do x square, you will get 2x. So this cancelled. Here we know e to the power of log n of cot x is nothing but cot x. Then 1 by cot x minus cosecant x. This is cancelling, plus 2x. So answer is minus cosecant square x plus 2x. Next sum, simple, much simpler. You have sin x separately, and then we have uv. So 5 sin x is nothing but 5 cos x. Differentiation of it. So ex and log x is there, uv formula. So you get e to the power of x into log x is 1 by x plus v du, which is log x into e to the power of differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x. So you get 5 into, differentiation is over, we are just simplifying, 5 into cos x plus that is e to the power of x common. So you take it out, which is 1 by x plus log x. That is it. Now again there is uv formula, simple. You consider that as y. So dy by dx equal to e to the power of d by dx of vx is ex plus uv formula. First let us consider cos x as v du. Differentiation of sin x is minus cos x plus sin x into differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Sorry, that is sin x is plus cos x, not minus sin x. That is equal to e to the power of x plus cos square x minus sin square x. That is equal to e to the power of x plus, we know sin square x minus cos square x minus sin square is cos 2x. How? We know cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. For cos 2x, you put cos of x plus x. So you apply this formula, you get cos x minus sin x, which is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. So that is how we are using this formula. So this is much simpler, which is in the form of a to the power of x log x, and then there is uv formula. So a to the power differentiation of d by dx is equal to differentiation of a to the power of x is nothing but ax, that is 5 to the power of x here. So d by dx of ax is ax and log a, which is a to the power of x, sorry, here 5 to the power of x and log 5 plus 1 by x plus uv formula again here, x square into ex, differentiation of ex remains ex plus e to the power of x into differentiation of x square is 2x. Sorry, it's x cube, so 3x square. So simplifying, 5x to the log x plus 1 by x plus, there is common e to the power of x, which is x cube plus 3x square. See next sum. Here there is e to the power of e function and then log function, and the 2x is kx. So we have to use chain rule here, which is dy by dx equal to, we will keep it as it is, e to the power of 2x into 1 by x plus log x into, now chain rule, ex is ex e to the power of 2x. Now we have to go for 2x, which is 2. That is equal to, simplifying, e to the power of common, so e to the power of 2x common, taking it out, you get 1 by x plus log x, 2 log x. That is it.